What's up, guys? It's Jimmy, Jimmy's Jeepstead. Today is going to be a how to replace shocks on a 2003 Dodge Ram. So I ordered these shocks off of the internet. I do a lot of trailer pulling and such, so my shocks are blown out on my truck. So today we are going to attempt to get under here and replace both the shocks. So stick around. All right. So in order to swap this out, we got to come in here and take these bolts out right here. This one, that one, and pretty sure there's going to be one more right there. And that plastic cover should come out. What we're trying to do is get to the bolt. And the bolt's going to be on the top side of the frame rail up here for the top of the shock. So we're going to pop that off real quick. And then we're going to take a 13/16 socket, go across the top of the frame, and we're going to zip that bolt out with the air impact. These bolts right here are 5/16 or 8mm. And the shock bolts are 13/16. And try to put it where you guys can see exactly what's going on. I got my tripod. For the camera. Sorry, getting my legs in the way. How many of you guys do that as soon as you hook up a air impact or a ratchet? Make sure it's got some flow to it. What we're going to do is we're going to take them out. Get that cover out of the way. Now, let me show you guys where that bolt is at. You see right through there. Let me pull that out so you can see it. Get you up in this hole, and that bolt is right there. You gotta take that cover out because the cover goes all the way to here, and that bolt's way over there. Try to get this thing situated. Hang on. Now all we should have to do, it's got a nut on the back that actually has a little keeper. So you shouldn't have to hold the top one with a wrench. Should be able to there it is. It just pops out. Then we're gonna go underneath. So there's one bolt. That's the top. Let me take you underneath. All right, so now the bottom one has got a nut and a bolt. This is the top keeper for the top bolt. We'll put that back on in a minute with the new shock. Get that bolt out of there. And there's your shock. These things are just completely blown out. They're more than likely the stock shocks from 2003. Alright. Let me grab the old shock. We're going to get the top put in place. And then it's got a plastic band. We're going to cut that plastic band once the top's in place and shove it up in the hole. And hopefully be able to shoot that bolt through the side before it completely expands. All right, so we got the top in place. Leave it a little loose. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to leave it right in that position, and we're going to try to shove that bolt through as soon as we cut this plastic strap. Let's see if we can make it happen. Whoop. Nope. Now we're going to have to fight it. Let me grab a tripod. Man, I keep talking about how we got a mild winter, blah, blah, blah. I spoke too soon. It's like the second week of February. That bad storm. Everybody up north had a bunch of snow. We ended up with rain and flooding. And now it's getting snow flurries and stuff happening where we live. What we're going to try to do, we're going to try to hold it in place. We're going to try to use another screwdriver and back it up. Get that hole lined up, hopefully. It's hard to see. There it goes. So that worked. Now we're just going to put your nut back on. Make sure we're in forward. It might help if I use a socket. Couple of ooga doogas. And then go up top. Snug up your top bolt. Go to the other side. The other side, you're not going to need the 8mm, I don't believe, because it goes forward. So I should be able to get to it from in front of the tire and then the bottom. But driver side was the most in-depth because it had that shield, which is not a big deal. It you just gotta put this, take the shield off. 3 little screws, the 8mm head on them. Popped them out, popped them 2 bolts out, and That's how you change a shock on a 2003 Dodge Ram. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer everything I can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Change the notification bell to all so that you get all of our notifications on everything we post. And like this video.